This is case of male pattern hair loss level 3, partial 7. The technique is Smart FUE. Today is exactly day 14. Let's see the recipient area. As you can see, this is the design and all the microscapes are out. You can see the position of the grafted hair is at the right angle, direction and the density. And behind here is the existing hair or the original hair, and you can see the density here and here is more or less the same. This is the hairline, irregularity, hairline irregularity. This is the frontal temple angle, and this is the follow-up. We have increased the density here, we call it dense packing here, so that to stop the light of going through. Yeah, why did you choose Glojas to do the Smart FUE transplant?
Well, I did a lot of research before coming to this one. I went to 3 clinics, and I think based on the testimonials that I've gotten from your Instagram and also research that I've done, I think it's sort of like give me the conviction that this is actually the best place for me to do my hair transplantation. Yeah, and the experience was good, and it's still good until now.